The clock ticks toward noon on August 21st, 2025 as Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi braces for a storm. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's plane descends, carrying him back from a month-long U.S. tour. Outside, his supporters, clad in neon green DCP colors, gather with banners ready to welcome their leader. But barricades block their path to JKIA. Security forces out in full force prevent the crowd from nearing the airport, turning a homecoming into a tense standoff.
Kama polisi washamwagwa, wataki sisi kama Wakenya tualike Mkenya mwenzetu. Mimi nashangaa hii serikali ya William Samuel Ruto kama wanafanya yaliyo mema, mbona sisi wanakataa tukimpokea wetu Gachagua? Juu tunaelewa saa chache kuanzia saa hizi anaenda kutoa JKIA hapa, na sisi kama Wakenya tunasema lazima Rigathi wa Gachagua tumpokee kama mtoto wetu, tumrudishe nyumbani.
Hours earlier, the Democracy for Citizens Party, led by Gachagua, dropped a bombshell. Deputy Leader Cleophas Malala announced that goons ferried from Nairobi's Mathare, Kibra and Kayole slums were being organized to disrupt Gachagua's convoy as it left JKIA. Malala pointed fingers at senior government officials, naming Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja and Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen as the architects of the plot. He also accused two members of parliament, including Makadara's George Aladwa, of orchestrating the chaos.
Na Malala ajua kwamba kama amechukua pesa za kuleta watu kesho na anajua watu watakuja, awache kutafuta njia ya kulaumu wetu wengine mapema ndio watu wake wakose kuja kesho katika uwanja wa ndege kumkaribisha kiongozi wake. Sio kiongozi wangu mimi, Gachagua sio kiongozi wangu. Nataka kumuona bwana Malala hapa si Kakamega, hapa si Kakamega, na yeye ajiadhari, awache hizi siasa ambazo zitatawanisha watu na kutaja majina za watu ovyo.
The DCP's warning was blunt. What? We will discipline them today. But Aladwa hit back hard. On August 20th, the Makadara Member of Parliament held a press briefing in Nairobi, dismissing Malala's claims as baseless.
Hii siasa za conmanship na siasa za brokerage acha nazo. Mimi sina mpango wote kesho ya kupanga mambo yote katika kaunti ya Nairobi. Mimi sio member wa DCP na mimi sihusiki katika mpango yote ya kuwasili kwa aliyekuwa makamu wa rais Mheshimiwa Gachagua.
He accused Malala of political immaturity and dragging his name into deceitful politics.
Na wachana Aladwa kabisa, na akiendelea na bali na mkuta ajue tena yeye physically. So akiwa mimi nikimkuta kesho napambana na yeye vilivyo. Yeye sio party leader wangu. Na mimi sio kiongozi wangu, na kuna mahali mimi namtambua popote kama kiongozi wangu. Yeye amepotea njia, na kama amechukua pesa mobilization alete watu kesho wakamkaribishe bwana Gachagua kwa mambo yao ya kesho ambaye mimi sina uhusiano wowote nao katika shughuli ya kesho.
He also vowed to deal with Malala politically, not through violence. The scenes at JKIA grows volatile. Supporters braving early morning drizzle chant defiantly despite being kept at a distance. The DCP's allegations of goons from Mathare, Kibra and Kayole fuel fears of violence. These areas, often caught in Nairobi's political crosshairs, are allegedly being exploited to sow chaos. Malala's claims paint a grim picture, a government-orchestrated plot to intimidate Gachagua, whose fallout with President William Ruto's administration has made him a target.
The Constitution guarantees us the freedom of assembly. There is nowhere in the borders of our Constitution which gives the CS mandates to give us permission to assemble. The only requirement is to notify them of such meeting.
That's true.
3 days ago, we notified the IG, we notified all the officers commanding police stations that we shall be having a peaceful procession from JKIA to CBD to Kamkunji. And therefore, we do not need Murkomen's permission to assemble. So I want to announce to our supporters that we shall be receiving our party leader at the JKIA. People have traveled from across the country, all the way from Tesoland, Kuria, Luo Nyanza. We have rumors that William Ruto wants to divert Rigathi Gachagua's plane to Kisumu and Mombasa. Subsequently, we have also mobilized in Kisumu for people to receive Gachagua.
This is not Gachagua's first brush with disruption. On November 28th in Limuru, his convoy was attacked during a funeral. Goons armed with machetes, stones and iron bars targeted mourners and damaged vehicles, including Gachagua's car. He blamed the attack on the withdrawal of his security detail, a move he tied to government operatives. On July 4th, 2025, in Bungoma, his convoy faced another assault in Chwele town with stones and gunshots forcing a detour.
Na venye tumeona hao wakora walikuwa wana target kwenye Rigathi Gachagua meketi, ile gari Rigathi Gachagua alikuwa anaenda ndani yake, walikuwa wanamtarget yeye mwenyewe. Nao sio wananchi wa hapa.
On April 7th, 2025, goons on motorcycles stormed a Kasarani church service where Gachagua spoke, causing panic. These incidents, Gachagua's camp argues, reveal a pattern of targeted harassment. Back at JKIA, the police presence is overwhelming. Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen, responding to the DCP's accusations, downplayed the hype around Gachagua's return.
Sounds funny because there are so many people landing in Kenya every day. So I don't know why we should be worried about one person landing. Should we be, should we?
The DCP remains defiant. Cleophas Malala, speaking on August 18th, announced a mother of all peaceful procession from JKIA to Nairobi's CBD, culminating in a rally at Kamukunji grounds. He urged supporters to gather by 8 a.m., promising a show of unity, but he also raised alarms about government plans to divert Gachagua's flight to Kisumu or Mombasa to facilitate his arrest. Social media amplifies the tension. On X, posts echo Malala's claims, alleging Sakaja and Murkomen are activating goons to harm citizens during Gachagua's homecoming. As Gachagua's plane is expected to land, the crowd's anticipation peaks. This JKIA showdown exposes Kenya's raw political fault lines. Gachagua, impeached in October 2024 and replaced by Kithure Kindiki, refuses to fade quietly. His DCP, with Malala as deputy, positions itself as a voice for the disenfranchised, challenging Ruto's regime. But with accusations flying from goon plots to assassination claims and supporters blocked from JKIA, the questions looms: is this a fleeting skirmish or the spark of a larger battle? Kenya's political saga continues to unfold with Gachagua at its heart. Newsroom, Maisha TV, reader carrying Chubet.